To my future employer, I am Leslie Valhan from Philippines, 37 years old, and I am a mother of 3 children. My work experience is in Saudi Arabia since 2015 to 2021. When I was in Saudi Arabia, I was working there as a nanny and a household worker. And I am taking care of 3 years old baby boy and a 4 years old baby girl. And after 1 year, a newborn baby delivered, and I am the one taking care of him since 1 week till he became 5 years old. And I know how to cook Arabic foods and Asian food. But most of the time, I am with the kid teaching them some activities like crayon, colors, and number. And then prepared for them foods, snacks like cookies, cakes, and pancakes or breads. But sometimes I'm also helping to my madam in the kitchen if she needs me. And after 6 years there in Saudi Arabia, I came to Amman, Jordan as a nanny also and elder assistants. The kids here is 4 and their age is 5 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old, and 14 years old. I'm also assisting for my madam, my currently madam, because she is sick and she's having something in her legs, and I'm assisting of her. And also I am doing marketing, going to supermarket, buying some stuff for the house. And also I am staying here 5 years, since 2021 to 2025. I am finished contract and I am waiting for my madam to buy for me a ticket going back to Philippines. Hopefully to my new employer, hoping that you will choose me, madam. I am waiting for your response and I am excited to be your new family member. God bless all.